Hi, welcome to Varaj Creations. Today we shall be discussing on NEET Registration 2025. NEET UG 2025 registration begins by the NTA on the 7th of February 2025. The application form must be submitted online from the 7th of February to the 7th of March 2025. NEET, the prominent national-level medical entrance exam managed by the National Testing Agency, is a crucial exam for individuals aspiring to pursue medical programs like MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BSMS, BNYS and BUMS in India. To apply for NEET UG 2025, candidates are required to complete the online process for NEET registration 2025 exclusively through the official NTA website. Please note that registrations made through any other platform will not be considered valid by the NTA. Moreover, candidates will have an opportunity to rectify or modify the information in their NEET application forms if necessary. With an estimated participation of over 20 lakh candidates, NEET stands as India's largest and only medical entrance examination, highlighting its significance in the medical education landscape. Information about the NEET registration form is disclosed in the notification of NTA for NEET UG 2025. However, once the registration process starts, here is a step-by-step guide to registering for NEET UG 2025. How to register for NEET 2025. To complete the NEET 2025 registration, follow these steps. Visit the official NEET 2025 website neet.enter.nic.in. Click on the NEET UG 2025 registration link under the Candidate Activity section. Select New Registration. Download and read the information bulletin carefully before proceeding. After reading the instructions, tick the checkbox and click here to proceed. Fill in your mandatory personal details and create a password. Enter the captcha code and click Submit. After successful registration, a NEET 2025 registration number and password will be generated. Go back to the home page and click on Login for existing users to complete the application by filling out the remaining details and paying the NEET application fee. Documents required for NEET UG registration 2025. Prior to registration for NEET exam 2025, it is essential for all applicants to ensure they possess the required documents, both in digital, soft copy, and physical, hard copy formats. These documents will be necessary for the verification of your candidature, and you should subsequently upload them on the official portal. Class 10th mark sheet, Class 10th passing certificate, Aadhaar card, scanned pictures of finger and thumb impressions, running signature, passport and postcard size photograph with name and date which should be after January 1, 2025. Valid ID proof, category certificate. For SC and ST students, National Caste Certificate is mandatory. For your information, there is no renewal date for the certificate. For others, please check the validity date and then upload. Expired caste certificate shall not be considered. If applied for caste certificate, upload receipt. NEET application form 2025, how to fill form. To get started with the NEET application process, use the application number and password generated by the system to log in. It's crucial to make sure that the information you enter in the application form matches the details on your secondary school examination or equivalent board, university certificate. After confirming your personal details and academic information, here are the candidate details you need to furnish. Personal information, name, father and mother's name, place of birth details, past examination attempts if relevant, contact information, candidate's residency status, parental information, mobile number. Hope this information may be useful while filling the form. Thank you and best wishes for the exam.